the elephant right over here, and the crossway which is right there, and then the elephant. Okay, we're going to start it this way. Here's a few numbers. Just made a video, it was in French. Young people have no place to call. No place to call. Do not be afraid. The Consumer Protection Office is here for us. That phone call you heard in French in the last video about cancellation fees is that the person who runs the child workshop, which is actually known in here in Quebec as a garderie, right? Which is also known as garderie is also known as child care for young children, preschool. We have all these places they call garderie, which is a nursery. That's the right name. Well, the lady is smoking cigarettes downstairs in this garderie, and this young woman who has a baby there found out, and other things that were happening. And she pulled her child out right away when she found this out. And now the lady at the nursery wants her to pay 2 weeks because you have to give a 2 weeks notice before. But I called up and that would cost $600. And I called up the Consumer Protection for this person who I'm hoping to give the message to, is that the most you have to pay is either 10% of the final 2 weeks or a maximum of $50. In this video, it's so funny that this is happening. It's about birth and death, okay? Before I start, that birth into the sun world, which is 29, which is the birth, which is made up of 5 and 4. 5 and 4 is the number to the sun, which is created by 1 times 4 and 1 plus 4 equals to the DNA. So when you have 9 and you split it in half, you get 414. When you want to run a cycle into the sun system, 360 degrees might be the way to go, but the actual way of the system, okay, is we come through the eye, okay, of the storm. We come through the eye of the storm. We run down all the way this way. We go all the way up, right? We go all the way up this way, okay? And we come around this way. If we want to look at a little bit different, okay, we're going to do it with a colored marker so you can see it. Maybe I'll give you a little bit of more color. I've got 500 pens in front of me, and I can't find anyone with color. So this is what we're going to do, okay, is I'm going to assume this trajectory, right? And then I'm going to go over the top and come all the way in and just keep using one of these roads. One of the reasons we end up in the leap year. So anyways, let's get to birth. The black letters and the red letters. In the red letters, you get 9 and 18. 9, when it's 9, it stands for all of the 9s. 1 and 8 is an R. Inside of this one is 3 and 6, 9. It's a full face. It's one flat face, creating all of 9. It totals 27, and the cube is perfect at 27. We want to find perfect. We will find perfect right here. There are 7 empty spaces on this too. 27 and 30 equals 57. Birth equals to the moon. The same number as the moon, G and E. Sun is 54. The difference is creation, which is 3. At the same time, 30, all zeros equal 6, becomes 36. Now the 57 is now 63. Creation of F, right? The Fahrenheit and the Celsius, if you want to look at it that way. The same time, creation of F, Celsius, and Fahrenheit brings the creation of U and O, because the letters of U and O equal to 36 total, and it also is a representation of where. In French, O and U is where are you? Okay, where are you? Now it's all confusing. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letter count. Every letter has a value of 27 equals 135. 135 says ACE. It says ace cat, position of the alphabet. The 2 is also a reverse of Y, because it's all 27. The 25th letter is a Y. It's also the second letter, 225. 2 and 7 win a big red sun inside a B. 27 and 27 equals to 54. 2 letters. 27 and 27 equals to 54. 54 for the red. 3 letters is 81 for the reverse. 81 and 54, the difference is 27. Big red sun. 51 and 30 is the 81. 27 and 27, 2 red suns. Win a big red sun. The minus and the plus for your zeros, if we were saying 0 equals 2, 0 equals 4, 0 equals 6, we also have to understand that composites, and in me, my word of composite means that it's 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, skip 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, and let's go 1.9, and that's your total. You have 9 inside 0 in the value area you are, because there's, in order to get one whole, you need 0.9 and then the rim. So you have 24 and 20, 0 equals 2, 0 equals 4, 0 equals 6, 0 equals 8. In this scenario, 2 gives you life, 38 gives you the church. 24 gives you the day of the cat's creation. 26 gives you the day of the DC queen. 28 gives you the moon, and it gives you the big freeze. Mars Earth, because 1 and 2 always go together, their combination create 103 and 1 spirit, equaling to the spirit of Mercury. In death, you have 4, and you also have the 23rd letter, which is 23, which is the BC creation. 28 is inside T and H, and nothing starts till 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4th is the way we go. We're in overdrive. 32 black. 28 and 4 is 32 black. E and A, the only red, 6 red. 5 and 6, the F worlds. 49 is the reverse, the 3 letters. 49, 32 for 81. 45 and 6, well, there's something wrong over here. 6 in the reverse of this is 54. Okay, 27 and 27, 2 letters is 54. Over here, death, DTH is 32 in black, and 49 equals the 3 letters to 81. I don't know why I don't have 54 over here. I'm going to write that down. The difference is your 103 Mercury. The difference is 94 Uranus. 9 and 4, 13. 5 and 4, 9. That is your death, and that is your birth. Your death, okay, equals to a total of 32 and 6. 38. Born under the creation of the heavens church. Your birth is 57, running under the moon. The difference is A and I, 19 artificial intelligence. 5 and 3 is 8. 7 and 8 is 15. 1 and 5 is 6. 7 and 8 is the gateway of electric company. To end this off, 6 equals 7. 9 equals 6. 5 equals 6. 2 equals 4. 6 and 9 are the same letters flipped upside down. 5 and 2 are the same letters reversed. Breaking and entering to communication inside the matrix. All about 2. Raphael 72 in a quick video on Win a Big Red Sun, creation in Jupiter. Thank you for watching.